In this tutorial we're going to demonstrate how to use the attendance module within the new gradebook, online gradebook called StaffLink. Once you have logged in, right up to the left you'll see these modules. If you don't see all the modules, just click this up and down button arrow, which will minimize different sections. It should all come in standard as completely expanded, but yours may come in minimized, so just click the arrows. First thing we want to do is let's go ahead and play at the seating chart. To create a seating chart, you just click this setup link. Once you're in here, you could drag students around, create your own seating chart. You can see that's what I did here. You can also click this options button and say randomize the students, and if you ever get withdrawn students, especially at the beginning of the year this happens, just click delete withdrawn students. That way they don't show up on your seating chart. When you make a change, don't forget to click the submit button. Once you've created your seating chart, you could actually go to the seating chart here, and this will now allow you to take attendance. Once the photos are on file, all they have to do, or even if they don't ever get a photo, you just click here and you can mark them tardy or absent. But of course you can see that you can't do it on a day that is not of membership. To see the history of your attendance, you can click here, and you can actually click by date and find out who was absent, and then you can also see your today's absentees. That's all there is to it in taking attendance.